So, good morning, guys. I am from Tyrite Solutions. So, today we are going to start a new series that is React. So, before going to it, let me create a new text file here. And the name of this text file I am giving as 14th July 2025. In this text file, I am going to write the definitions and we will be doing the coding part in the VS Code. So now let me, first of all, let me set all the things here. Yeah. So now in first, the first thing we have to learn is introduction to React. Introduction, introduction, introduction to React. So first of all, what is this React? Okay. So from where this React part is coming, why React came into the picture, what happened of all of a sudden a world is in this whole world that React is getting popular and everyone why everyone is using React. All these sort of questions we are going to answer here. So now let's first of all understand why the React. So what first of all what is React, then why we will go for. Then React is a JavaScript library which is created by Facebook which is created by Facebook. Okay, so what is React? So React is a JavaScript library. We need to understand this one first. And the second one is it is created by Facebook. Okay, so now the next point here is this is my first point. This is the first point here. So the next point here is next point here is it makes easy it makes easy to to manage and build the complex websites. Okay, fine. So why React? Because it makes the complex websites very simple and easy to manage. Okay, fine. So the next point here is it is a single page application. It is a single page application. It is a single page application. Okay, so if anyone asks what is React, so React is a JavaScript library which is created by Facebook. It makes easy to manage and build the complex websites. It is single page application. Fine. So now here question is why React? Why React? Okay. So why this React is created and what happens all of a sudden that React came into the picture? We already have JavaScript, we already have Angular, we already have HTML, CSS. Then why this React is coming into the picture? So in the previous days, what happened was, if you remember in the previous times, like in 2018, 16, in those years, if you were using Facebook, you have observed one thing that is in the notification bar. Now, suppose you have three friend requests or three notifications or three messages are there. So at that time, what happens is after seeing that message or notification or friend request, that number three is not reducing. Sometimes it get reduced to one or two, from three it becomes two, from two it becomes one. Likewise, it was reducing, but sometimes it was not getting reduced once you visit the message or notification also. Once you visit, suppose your message box reflects three messages, and once you open that message replied also, that 3 is not reducing. So that was the problem. So this problem was called the phantom problem. So here I am writing due to phantom phantom problem. Due to phantom problem, React came into the picture. React was discovered or introduced. So what happens here is, so what in the Facebook Council now, what they are, everyone is raising this question that what, how we can solve this question that Facebook notification should be reduced whenever any person visits or see that message or notification, whatever it is. Fine. So that problem was solved by using the concept of hook and uh, state and hook of the React. So due React was introduced and phantom problem was solved by the state and hook formula of the React. So inside the React, there is a concept called state and hook. With the use of that concept, the Facebook created the React and solved the problem. So phantom problem was solved by state and hook state and hooks method of React. Fine, everyone. So this is how that React came into the picture, and from there on, they discovered this state and hook and formulated into a programming language that is we are calling it as a React. Fine. I hope everyone is getting there. Fine, everyone. So this is how React came into the picture. Before going to develop applications or projects inside the React, few terminologies we have to discuss. The first thing is what is a project? What is a project? Okay, what is a project? So here I am writing a project is an idea. A project, a project is an idea. Is an idea. Fine. So suppose here someone wants to make an app, and he is thinking that okay, that app should perform delivering of food. Okay, someone wants to build an app where online gaming should happen. Fine. So this is the idea. Fine. And inside that idea, there are multiple process. For example, if you observe Flipkart, so Flipkart is an idea. The person who discovered who created this Flipkart and all, they have an idea that okay, this website is going to online people are going to use this website for purchase purpose. Fine. So this is an idea, and the idea is Flipkart. And inside that idea, whatever the things are happening, whatever the process are going on, for example, ordering of the products, fine, payment methods are there, fine, login methods, creating an account. These different processes are running inside that project, that idea. That different process is nothing but the application. So here I am writing what is a project. So and a project is an idea, and here what is an application. So what is an application? Application. So to run a project or idea, to run a project, we need different process. We need different process. We need different process that is called application. So everyone, please do remember this thing that project is an idea and application is the different process inside that project. Fine. So I hope this thing is clear till now. Okay, fine. So here, first of all, to start a project in the React, how to create a React project. I am writing here how to create a React project. How to create a React project. So the first step you should keep in mind is to first we have to install node.js. Node.js we have to install to run a React project. Why node.js we need to install? Because here in that first line I said that it is a JavaScript library. It is a JavaScript library. So that's why we need to install node.js. To install the node.js, what we have to do is we have to go here node.js site here, and this is the site where we can go and inside this download section here, inside the download section, we can go down the Windows installer, and here whatever the version is, we can download from here and install it. So after that here node.js, first we have to install node.js. After that here to create a project, in React. Okay. Before creating a project, few terminologies are there. We need to discuss it. Okay. So the first one is, once we install this React, after installing node.js, a couple of new things also get installed. A couple of new things also get installed. The first one we have is npm. What is this npm? This npm is node package manager. So npm stands for here, npm stands for node package manager. Okay. So what it do? It helps us. It provides friendly JavaScript library. It provides npm stands for node package manager. It provides uh, JavaScript friendly environment, JavaScript friendly library, JavaScript JavaScript friendly library. Okay. So npm stands for node package manager, and it provides JavaScript friendly library. The other one we have is npx. So npx stands for node package executor. So npx stands for node package executor. npx stands for node package executor. It executes all the packages, all the it execute and handles it executes and handles the packages packages inside the React for project, inside the React project. Fine, everyone. So once we install this part React, then at that time, once we install this node.js, so along with it we get these two things, npm and npx. Fine. So after that here, let me write, to start a project, to create a project in React. The command is sudo. The command is here. I am writing. The command is npx create dash react dash app, and here we have to give the whatever the name of the project I can give here. So here for a moment I am writing 01 basic React. Okay. So now let's check it practically how things are working. So let me open the VS Code here. So here I am writing cmd then code space dot. Okay. Yeah, so inside this, let me create a new project here. So here I am creating a new project. So to create a new project, we have to use npx create react app. So let me write here npx create react app, and I am writing 01 basic react. So now let's see what happens this time. So here it is showing me that you are running Create React app 5, which is behind the latest release 5.1. We recommend always using the latest version of Create React app if possible. Okay, okay. So I'm saying React npx create React app. I'm saying 01 basic React. So here some instructions are given as per the same things we are using, creating a new React app in my app. So here something they are showing. Wait, guys, everyone, please give me a moment. So npx create app. Okay, fine. First of all, let me uninstall my node package and let me install a new node package here. Then I will show you there are two methods in which how I can install, how you can create a project. So for that here I am saying settings and I am reinstalling the node package node.js because my node.js is some different version. So that's why control panel and uninstall a program. So from here I have to uninstall the node package node.js here. So let me uninstall. Guys, just give me a moment, please. Okay, so let's reinstall the node package here, node.js. So first of all, let me choose a version from here. Let me choose 18 version, and here I'm saying window installer. So now let it complete. So I'm saying open file. So next and install. So after that it will be installed. Okay. So now let's run this command. Let me start from the beginning. Let me open my folder here and let me put here, let me import my this folder in this VS Code. So here let's create a new project. This time let's see how it works. So here I'm saying npx create react app, and here I am saying 01 basic react, and let's see whether it works or not this time. Okay, again same thing is coming here. Okay, so let's follow this one by one. So first of all, what we have to do is creating an app. You will need to create. Okay, so npx create react app at the rate latest. Okay, so now let me copy this one and let me paste here this time. And instead of this, what I have to do is I'm writing 01 basic react. So I'm saying yes. Guys, here you can see our project is creating 01 basic react. Just give me a moment until it finishes the installation part. So, as the version is increased, let me explain you what happened here. So, it shows that my version was not the latest version. So, I have to upgrade as per the version I have to create. So, as per the version, we have to add this at the rate latest. So, someone there, if anyone of you have the old version, they can create npx create React app, or if anyone have the latest version, they can go for the create React app at the rate latest you have to add at the end. Remember this new version, follow this syntax that after app they have to add at the rate latest. But in the older version, only create React app will work. Fine, everyone getting? So now let's wait for until this installation completes. So yeah, guys, so our installation is almost gonna complete here. React and making a project is a very long process in React. So now if you see here, 01 basic React is now created. Fine. So we have once we create a project in the React, here we can get so many extra files. First one is node modules, the second one is public folder, and the third one is src source folder. Inside the source folder, we have so many files here. Fine. Okay. There is another method to create a project inside the React. So what is the another method? The another method is npm create void latest. Then here press enter. So it is asking me to proceed. Yes. So it is showing me, it is now asking me for the project name. What project name I have to give? So here I am saying 01 basic white. Basic, basic, I am saying white. Fine. Then it is saying me to select a framework. So here I am saying React. Here I am choosing the React here. I am selecting the React, and it is the asking for the variant. So here I am selecting JavaScript. So now you will see that basic white is installed so fast. But once we perform this React app formula, there it took so much long time. Why? Why the difference is this? The difference is because of the node module. If you see here inside my 01 basic white folder, we don't have any node module folder. But here, if you see here, node module folder is present inside my 01 basic React. Fine. So now the second step, whenever we are creating any project using this white formula, using this command, 01, this one, npm create white at the rate latest. If you are using this method, let me copy and paste in the notepad here. If we are using, if we are using this method, if we are using this method, at that time what we have to do is we have to install my node package separately. Fine, everyone. So to install my node package node module separately, first of all I have to go inside my project. So to go inside the project, the command is cd01 basic cd01 basic white. So now I am inside my basic white, and here we have to run the command npm install. So now it will take some time to install my node module. So now if you see here right now, I don't have any node module folder. But once this installation is complete, a node module folder is coming here. Fine. So this was the difference between basic React and the white. Okay. So now let's finish this installation. Okay, fine. So now my node module folder is here. Okay. So now let's see how to run a project inside, how to run a React project. So always remember this. Okay. So now to run a React project, first of all, we have to go inside that project, whatever the project. Right now, we have two projects, 01 Basic React and 01 White React. So the first 01 Basic React and 01 Basic White. So the first thing is I want to run this project 01 Basic React. So for that, I am writing CD. First of all, we have to go inside that project. So CD 01 and Basic React. Now we are inside my project. To run a project which is created by create React app formula, the command here is npm run start. Npm run then start. Okay, so now if I run this code, so here my project will be launched. Let's see what happens this time. So let's see how my development server is starting and how my React project looks. So this is the first React project we created here. Okay, let me run once again. It is a little bit slow. So let me run once again. Here, this is my project. Fine, everyone. This is our npm 01 basic React. Now let's see how my basic white will come. So to run the basic white project, what I will do is first I will go inside this basic white. So to go inside my project, what command I have to use? I have to use cd 01, then basic white. So right now I am inside my project to run a basic white or to run a white project, and the command is npm run dev. npm run dev. So now it is showing me some errors here. Let's verify that from where these errors are coming. So here let me run once again npm. Okay, npm run dev. Okay, again some errors are coming. Just give me a moment, guys. Okay, so first of all, we will go inside my project, that is 01 basic white. So let me go inside my project here. So our first step is to go inside the project. Let's go inside the project. So cd 01 basic then white, basic white 01 basic white. Okay, so we are inside my 01 basic white folder, and here npm run dev to start the development server. Now let's see why this error is coming this time. So let me check once again by opening the file editor here. So let's modify it, that how things are getting here. Okay, let me understand the flow here. Somewhere in the script part we have some errors. So let me rectify those errors. Yeah, guys. So from the starting, let's check. Okay, so let me, what we can do this scenario is, let me remove this node module hole and let's install once again. So to remove rm, to remove that hole, the command is rm rf node underscore modules, node underscore modules space package dash lock dot json. So let me run this command and see what happens this time. Okay, so now let's see what happened here. So my node module is now deleted from here, and what we will do is, I will clear the cache, so that whatever the memory is there inside of the node modules, it will be deleted. So npm cache clean dash dash force. So to clear the npm cache, guys, please note down all these commands so that whenever you are facing such errors or whatever the warnings, so you can rectify it by your own. So I request everyone to note down these errors. Yeah, guys. So after that here, let me reinstall the whole node module folder here. So once again, npm install, I will run here npm install. Now let's see what happens this time. So if you observe here, node module folder will be created. So node module folder is created now. So now let's run the project. So here to run the project npm run dev. Let's see what happens this time. This time also the same error they are showing me. Okay, okay, fine. So, okay, guys, we will continue this session from tomorrow. And from now, we will get an idea that 01 basic React file is there. So, whenever we have to run a React folder, which is whenever we have to run a project that is created with this uh, create React app method, then at that time, what we have to do is first we have to go inside this project cd01 basic React, basic React. So after that here I have to run npm run start, npm run start. So in this way I can start my React project which is created by create React app. Now in the tomorrow class we will be seeing that how we can launch a project that is created with the white formula, means npm create at the rate white at the rate latest. Fine. So I hope you enjoyed the session, guys. Thank you. Thank you everyone.